perfect day for a gay couple to be having a walk. I agree. Oh my god, weenie parkour man. That's sick.
Hello? Yeah, I'll be out there. I just gotta finish my tea. Okay, bye.
Holy shit, it's parkour man.
What the?
Oh my god, dude, are you okay? Don't worry, my face broke my fall. Must seems to be a situation. Go get him, parkour man. I love you! Stop what you're doing over there now, next to that guy with the cock and stuff. You are free to go.
Yay!
Go. And you, up against that wall right now.